It's your girl Swaze, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a resin side table. Boom, this one was a little shaky. But we're going to make a side table today. So I have already gone ahead and painted my legs and my top half of the table. So really, we're going to do the pour. You feel me? You're going to get to pour some resin with your favorite resin artist today. Swaze, you feel me? Dr. Seuss in this bit. Dr. Seuss in this bit. Okay. Alright, so the first thing that you're going to need before you go ahead and start out this process is a good little tart. If you're like me and you legitimately make everything because you're literally that motherfucker on this earth, like you are that and you legitimately make everything, like fuck you need to buy shit for, you could just grab one, you know, a trash bag and make one out of a trash bag. I mean, that's what I did because we make everything. You know what I'm saying? So we're going to go ahead and lay that on the floor. But I'm going to just show y'all what I have so far. I'm kind of excited about this, so you know what I'm saying? I really have done a little bit of table work, but to be able to show you on YouTube right now means that I'm, you know, pretty confident in my skills. So let's see what we got. So here we have our table. I painted the top half of it white. You can kind of see where it has like a little bit of red flakes on it from my paint, but I painted the top half of it completely white. It's pretty solid. I don't mind the red flakes because I'm gonna use red resin either way, so I didn't get it off. Painted the back red, and then I'm gonna show you the legs. And we're back with the legs. So that's just gonna be dope. That's just gonna be pretty fucking dope. I'm excited to see what it looks like, honestly. So let's get into the video. Never, ever work on resin in clothes that you like care about. Period. Shit ruins your shit. Alright. You already know the vibes when I pull the overalls out. That means it's choking me. Anyway, you already know what it means when I pull the overalls out. That means I'm about to get busy. Alright, yeah, so the colors that I have, I'm gonna do a red, obviously. I'm gonna do a white, I'm gonna do like a black. I'm gonna do a little bit of a strange kind of yellow, like you'll see that, and probably a little grayish black. That's what I'm gonna do today on this shirt right here. So let's go ahead and set up our tart. That's gonna be the first thing we're gonna do. The other tools that you'll need for this project are gloves. Like I said, get you some comfortable and also able to get dirty clothing. Get you, did I say tarp already? Tarp. Obviously, you're gonna need your resin. You're gonna need your color, and really, that's kind of it. So go ahead and grab a couple of items, and we're gonna go ahead and get set up. I'm gonna put it a way so that you're able to see what I'm doing. And yeah, so let's get started. Alright, so first thing we're gonna go ahead and do is take off this blue tape that I have wrapped around the side of this right now. And then we're gonna go ahead and tape the bottom a little bit because I don't want any resin to drip down on the bottom of this. So we're gonna go ahead and tape that. Take this off the sides. When you're dealing with paint, you know, it's never really perfect, but you do your best and you get a pretty good job. You get a pretty good turnout, you know? So, boom, there we go. To be honest with you, I have some bigger tape than this, but I have no idea where it's at. So I'm gonna have to take this blue tape. I'm gonna do like 2 strips on it. Give me 1 second and I'll go ahead and show you. Alright, I finished a fucking thorough tape session, okay? I mean, and it took a good, you know, 15-20 minutes to tape this up, but it's gonna look a little bit something like this. You feel me? Make sure you even it out on all sides, or you could have, you know, uneven sides, and of course that's fixable, but why go through more shit than necessary? So this is what we should have, guys. Nice even, nicely taped tabletop. So let's get it. Go ahead and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Go ahead and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Go ahead and follow me on the gram. Both of my Instagrams, Big Swaze and Swaze the brand. Big Swaze so you can see personal content, Swaze the brand so you can see obviously content about the trains. This channel right here. Do a little bit of stuff on my regular page too. But we always working, we always moving, man. So big shout out to myself and you for fucking with me. So yeah, make sure you hit that follow, like, subscribe, even comment, share this with your friends.